We're on our way to the day game portion of the boot camp here in LA, and I was just kind of talking to Alpha Chad. We're getting hyped up for it, ready to really fucking change these students' lives. And one of the very first things that we talk to guys about when we link up with you for the day game session is we kind of talk about some inner game shit about, you know, how we're all really on the same team here, how you're gonna see me get blown out, I'm gonna see you get blown out. You better see your fucking boys get blown out here on this boot camp, or else none of you are going hard enough. So we talk a little bit about that, but then the real important thing, like, dare I say, one of the most important things for day game, the most important thing is that when you're approaching in day game, it must feel serendipitous. It must feel truly to the girl like she's your first approach of the day. It's gotta feel like you were truly a man who was walking through the mall, who was walking down the street, who was chilling at the park that day. You actually saw this girl and you actually first kind of needed directions somewhere or thought she was attractive and went up and talked to her. And so many of you guys, and I see it so much, even after I talk to these students, they're gonna fuck it up and we have to really work on it because it's key. If it doesn't feel serendipitous for the woman, it's gonna kill it right out the gate. So a couple things you guys do, see it all the time, is, you know, I'll say, okay, girl, right over here, go right over here. And she's kind of walking in that direction. And then what you'll do is you'll kind of run up and you'll start talking to her while you're on the side of her, while you're behind her. A lot of the interactions will start with the girl walking, you know, big fucking tits, fucking popping ass, you know, beautiful. She's walking and it starts off with, like, what just happened? Think about your day-to-day life. You're walking around, you're in your zone all day. Someone kind of comes up behind you, taps you on the shoulder right away, steps in from the side. Hey, real quick. What the fuck? So it starts off jarring. So you've destroyed the pre-approach. It's incredibly important. Again, we're not going to get into all the details here. If you really want every detail of the pre-approach, you can sign up for my free course. We'll link it right down below. It's called The Perfect Approach. It's for guys who either you're not approaching now or you are and it's kind of sucking, things aren't really going well. You can click down below. You'll be able to access that free course. I cover the pre-approach in far more depth. But again, really look at your game and think, how are these approaches starting in day game? Are they starting off in a way where this girl is startled and it feels very unnatural for the both of us? Or does it seem as though she's chilling, I'm chilling, and now we're chilling together?